Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Hiccup! Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccups. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad. How do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccup. Pete asked Carly, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Carly. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccup. Pete asked Bob, how do I stop my hiccup? I know, said Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, said Bob. Pete did it. Hiccup, nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, said Bob. Pete asked Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, said Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That is, Pete asks. That is, says Mom. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. Goodbye.